All right, everybody, my name is Mr. Elward. This is the eCampus Algebra 1 orientation on super fast forward. I'll apologize for that, but a lot of people missed the orientation on the 13th. We are having trouble getting started, so I'm just going to cover it really quickly. Okay, there's lots of things you need to know, but number one, this information was emailed to you. The group enrollment key, Elward, #1, and the link to the course. I emailed it to everybody on the 13th, and eCampus administration has emailed it to you. You are in your school email. Okay, so make sure you are in your school email. Make sure when you get logged in, it says you belong to Mr. Elward's group. Okay, when you get into the course, you'll see Ms. Malmos and myself are both instructors here. Ms. Malmos has her own group, so you don't get any of her information. But a lot of the stuff links to what she's done. She's created a fantastic Algebra 1 course here. My information is here, including my Google Voice number, which you can text anytime up to 8:30 p.m. And expect a reply somewhere within an hour or two. Sometimes I've got some activities that don't let me check my phone. My email is here. Make sure if you email me, you put email from Algebra 1 in the subject line. First thing you should do right now is download the course syllabus and take a look at it, because it has all the specific things related to my course versus Miss Malmos's course. When you get into the Start Here booklet, you might see her syllabus. They're pretty similar, but the only thing that's here is the course description is a little whack. It didn't get changed to Algebra 1, but the rest of the syllabus is straight up. It tells you the due date, so when you be there, it tells you what you need, how to grade. Read everything, please, and then reread it, and then reread it again. If you're taking an online course, that's what's required of you. All the descriptions of how to do your homework and get credit for it are here. How to submit assignments, all of our expectations, how to scan your homework, it's all there in the syllabus. Plus, it's all here in the Start Here book. So the first thing you do is download that syllabus and read it. There's a signature page that you have to fill out, and one of your uploads from the Start Here section is to go ahead and get that syllabus signature page created into a PDF and upload it. So the next thing you do is you go to the Start Here book, and you start there. That's why it's called Start Here. You read absolutely everything, and you reread it. There's a table of context, but you read it and you reread it, and then you reread it again. And after that, if you have questions and you've watched all the videos that are part of this Start Here booklet, then I'll be happy to help you. Okay, but don't ask me what do I do if you haven't read this, because this is telling you what you do. Her syllabus is here. Don't follow that link. Use the one you downloaded already. But please pay attention to this calendar right here. Orientation was the 13th, and we started math on the 14th, 15th. So you should be ready for the first unit test on the 29th. If you didn't make it to orientation, which was mandatory, that's what we mean, mandatory, then you're behind and you need to get caught up. That due date is the 29th, and you need to start working double time on some things. Okay? And you would have gotten that information at the orientation. This is the fast orientation to get you caught up. All the information that's here, you need to make sure you read it. Make sure you read the handbook. Click all the links. Read all the links. Gives you everything you need to know, everything you need to do. Make sure you pay attention. One PDF document for each unit of homework, not separate assignments uploaded. Okay? How to use your student email. If you need help with that, click there. It gives you a video on how to do it. Okay, you're going to have to track your time. You're going to have to track your time. You have to get 400 minutes each week. And if you haven't used the time tracking system, you'll want to watch the video on it. All right, I emailed that, the help page with those links to those videos on the 13th after the orientation. The tracking system is here. You log in, you follow the directions. It's a pretty straightforward kind of thing. If you need more help, let me know. We'll get you the link to the video. Okay, these dates are not yet correct. Use the one in the syllabus. And simple instructions for scanning your homework. Make sure you take a look at it. It's going to take you to this Microsoft Sway. Make sure you watch this whole video and pay attention to it. It's going to tell you how to create the PDF files. Okay? You must do that. You can't like, well, I'm just going to email my, no, you have to create a one PDF of multiple pages with the information on it. You need to do the class introductions. It's one of the assignments. You need to sign up for the Remind. Do not use her instructions here from Miss Malmos's class. Use the link in my syllabus to sign up for my Remind. Okay, here's the place where you upload the signature syllabus page that you used the scanning directions that you followed from this video in order to get your assignment points for that. We want one document, not two, please. Okay, there's a Start Here quiz. Make sure you get it. You must get at least 80%. You have orientations from the student orientation course and 2 certificates there. Make sure you upload those here. So when you go back and you look here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things you need to actually have done and gotten done. And so make sure you do that. And then you need to get hightailing it onto these lessons in the first book. Let me go back so y'all see where we were. After you start here and you do all that, you go to the course lessons. You click on Unit 1. Unit 2 will soon be there and you'll soon be able to see it. But first you got to get all of Unit 1 done. There's a homework packet for Unit 1. Click on it, download it, save it. You're going to do all your homework from the problems that are in this packet, and you're going to follow the instructions that were given to you in the syllabus and in the Start Here. Okay? There's guidelines for how to do it. You're supposed to fold your paper in half. You're supposed to copy and show your work in a vertical format. You're supposed to highlight that. Please pay attention to those directions and follow them. Otherwise, you won't get credit, and we want you to have credit. You click in here, you find the actual lessons for the algebra instruction. Miss Malmos has made some fantastic instructional videos following along with the kinds of problems that are in that homework packet. She'll model them for you. She'll give you a chance to try it and then check it with you. She does a super fantastic job of this. You're going to have to watch those. There's always a time estimate up here. It's about 20 minutes to watch those first videos from that first lesson. You go on and click the forward button. And now you're into the order of operations lesson. And all that information follows along with the homework packet that we've got. Your job is to create a notebook with all these examples in there. And get that notebook organized and able to be used to study for things like tests and quizzes and those kinds of things. Okay? So that is how you get off of ground zero. That's how you get going. That's how you keep from getting further behind. But remember, 29th January is when the first unit is due. These were already due. We are taking late work from people that didn't make it to the orientation. I know it's busy to get your semester started and you got a lot of things going on, as do I. That's why I created this video. I hope it's helpful to help you get going in the course. Read everything. Can I say that again? Read everything, and then ask questions, please. All right? Look forward to being able to help you in a much more smooth and slow and relaxed fashion whenever you've read the information, watched the videos, taken the notes, and you need help on your math. We're here to help you be successful. Let me just guarantee you that. All right? But this all needed to be quick because I got to start another class right now, and you guys got to get going in Algebra 1. Have a great day.